abantu babulawa nazo njengey'mbuzi noma njengey'nkukhu nje abanandaba abantu. Kuningi ubungozi balapha ngoba uyafa ungenasitha ufeyila ifoni yakho. Khona abantu bavuka ekuseni beyogada abantu abaya emsebenzini befuna ukuyiphilisa ney'khwanyana zabo namasente amalanta emsebenzini nesikhwama nefoni. Uma ezothola ifoni engatholi lutho mhlawumbe ungamasente uyaba nebhada kubulalele lokho. Sometimes ukuthi ubanje umuntu akwaziyo uzofuna futhi ukubulalela ukuthi ngoba uyamazi sengenzeka yomupha.
Lo wesilisa ugcizelele ukuthi Simboze akaveli nangobhozo. Akathandanga ngisho ukukhombisa iminwe. Uthi imjondolo eyakhiwe eduze nehostela iyinkundla emgulukudu.
Ngiphinde nginamukele ngenzakwethu kuyona-ke i-channel uma umusha ngiyocela ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe lana-ke bafowethu kuthiwa-ke labo-ke abayigilamkhuba baphelelwe amahlathi-ke okucasha laphana-ke kubonakala amavidiyo esikhathini esiningi-ke ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana-ke egcwele nje zonke iy'ndawo alaba abalisa-ke kuthiwa-ke baphelelwe amahlathi beqhumisa-ke iy'bhamu-ke khona lapha-ke ehostela-ke kwamasho. Uqhubeka nalolu daba nganisakwethu kuthiwa-ke laba-ke baboshiwe kodwa-ke futhi-ke khona omunye bekuthiwa-ke uneminyaka laphana-ke engu-20 ongubhongoza-ke laphana-ke kubona laba besilisa abasolwa ngokuba yingxenye-ke yeqembu lemgulukudu-ke ebelihlalise abantu-ke ngendlela-ke engekho mnandi noma-ke ebelihlalise abantu-ke lubhojozi laphana-ke emphakathini wakhona kwamasho. Lokhu-ke kuvela izolo enkantolo laphana-ke yemanje yaseNtuzuma ngesikhathi-ke kuvela abesilisa abathathu-ke kwabayisithupha ababhekene-ke noxhaxha-ke lwamacala-ke okuthiwa bawenze kuleli lokishi lakhona-ke laphana-ke kwamasho. Amagama-ke abo-ke kuthiwa-ke angeke adalulwe okwamanje ngoba-ke kusazoba-ke nohlelo elokwenzenjani lokubakhomba. Abathathu-ke ababoshiwe noma-ke baboshiwe khona laphana-ke eGoli batholakala nezibhamu-ke futhi ezingekho-ke emthethweni. Kuzokhumbuleka ukuthi-ke laba baba sematheni ezinyangeni-ke ezidlule ngesikhathi-ke kusobala-ke noma-ke kusabalala ividiyo laphana-ke yabo behamba-ke bedubula njengoba niyibona nevidiyo lana-ke khona-ke ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana ibigcwele khona-ke especially-ke kuyona-ke uTikTok nakhona la nje yibo laba enibabonayo kuyona-ke le video esinipostela yona-ke namhlanje. Kuthiwa-ke yasabalala kakhulu le video kwaze kwaba ukuthi-ke abantu bayibuza ukuthi engabe lento yenzeka kanjani amaphoyisa-ke ethule. Ukomishana-ke wamaphoyisa laphana-ke njengoba nimbona-ke noma nimbonile ekhuluma laphana-ke uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi kuthiwa-ke ube khona naye lapha enkantolo uthe-ke kubajabulise kakhulu ukubona-ke kuboshwa labo bhongoza-ke abangahlalisi-ke umphakathi ngendlela-ke right. Ubabazeke ukuba-ke yinsakavulela-ke ukuba-ke ubabazeke khona ukuba yinsakavulela ukuba ingxenye-ke yabafana basebancane-ke ezigamekweni-ke ezinjengalezi njengalo mfana-ke ekuthiwa-ke utholakale yena-ke iminyaka yakhe-ke ingu-20 kahle-kahle-ke ubudala-ke lo mfana-ke omangaza-ke uLieutenant laphana-ke Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Uthi-ke kuyamangaza ukuthi-ke ezigamekweni-ke ezahlukahlukene sekuyinto-ke ejwayelekile ukubandakanyeka kwabesilisa abasebancane-ke ngokweminyaka. Uqhubeka nalolu daba nganisakwethu uthe-ke bayafisa-ke ukuthi inkantolo isebenzisane nabo ibagcine-ke ngaphakathi bonke abasolwa ukuze-ke umphakathi uzokwazi ukuhlala ngendlela-ke enokukhululeka. Izolo uthi laba besilisa umbuso ubafundele wonke amacala-ke ababekwe wona. Phakathi kwawo-ke la macala kubalwe elokubulala umnumzane Mxolisi Biyela okuthiwa-ke balenza ngoFebruwari-ke kuwona lo nyaka khona lapha kwamasho. Kuvelile ukuthi-ke angu-11 esewonke-ke amacala-ke okubulala abayamaniswa nawo laba besilisa. Amanye amacala ababekwe wona-ke ngelokuzama-ke ukubulala umnumzane Simphiwe Ntshalintshali, unkosikazi Nondumiso Ntshalintshali, umnumzane Zakhele Thango, umnumzane-ke Thobani Luthuli nomnumzane-ke Ezizamokuhle Mazibuko. Emacaleni-ke okuzama ukuphanga kuthiwa-ke baphanga umnumzane Siphamandla Ndlovu i-laptop baphile-ke namaselula-ke amabili. Baphanga-ke nomnumzane Asanda Nzama imoto Isuzu emhlophe nomnumzane Simphiwe Mtshali abamduna-ke imoto-ke i-BMW emhlophe esigamekweni-ke okuthiwa-ke senzeke ngoFebruwari naso-ke elokishini-ke khona kwamasho. Umnumzane Khulekani Masikane yena okuthiwa-ke bamphuca-ke amaphitha amathathu enani-ke lika-470. Enkantolo-ke abasolwa baveza ukuthi-ke bazizwa behlukumezekile lapha esiteshini samaphoyisa sakwamasho-ke abagcinwe kusona njengoba-ke benganikezwa-ke amanzi okugeza futhi-ke kungavumelekile ukuthi iy'hlobo zabo zizobabona. Inkantolo-ke ibize iphoyisa elisesiteshini sakhona lapha kwamasho lafike chitha lokhu lathi-ke kungamampungu-ke lokhu abakushoyo. Bathe-ke bazosebenzisa-ke ummeli kahulumeni asazi-ke noma bayokwazi ukuphumelela yini-ke lolu xhaxha lwamacala. Icala-ke lihlehliselwa-ke wona-ke uNovember 25 ukuze-ke bafake isicelo sebheyili. Ngenxa kwethu ngiyokujabulela-ke mina ukuphawula kwakho. ngalolu daba kuyona ke i-comment section ungakhohlwa ke ukusubscribe uphinde ulike yona le video. Danko.
There's a hostel here in the township Kwamashu, and these boys were terrorizing mostly in that hostel, and it varies. There's murder cases. Thus far, they've been linked with about 11 of them, but the investigation is still continuing because we believe there will be more cases that can still be placed on the docket against them. And there's attempted murder cases, there's hijacking and so forth. So it's a variety of things. And of course, they're in possession of illegal firearms as one of the things that they'll be using.
So you know that they've been involved in a number of cases, and there was different arrests that took place that preceded this. I mean, I remember seeing in August there were 2 batches of arrests, and obviously now we are here. Does this mean that when we talk of this gang that's terrorizing this area, does this mean that you've rounded everyone up, it's over? And I think a second part of that would be, what was the actual breakthrough that allowed the team to crack this case?
Look, we've been following them, and the difficulty that we have is that these are young boys, majority of them. I mean, the ringleader is 20 years old. That's how young they are. So each time you arrest someone or if someone dies, there is other youngsters that are being recruited and are joining the group. So as much as we are appreciating the work done by our police officers in arresting them, but we cannot be comfortable saying that there's no more group members that are left behind. So we'll continue pursuing the rest of the gang that might be left behind with the investigations that have been done, and we hope that any other would-be a gang member will still be able to apprehend. When the team found them, as they've been conducting operations, you're all aware that it is the festive season period. So it's quite a lot of roadblocks and stop and searches that you're doing. And we're fortunate to find them in the area around Sundumbili when they were in the car. And through the investigation and interrogation, we discovered that they were on their way to go and kill someone and rob that person of his money. And fortunately, we were able to get them. So they're charged with being in possession of illegal firearms on that case as well. There's 3 of others that are part of this gang that were arrested in Johannesburg and also found in possession of illegal firearms. They're going to be brought down here to join these ones, these 6 that we have here.